When is the best time to use a generic group? Well, the best time to use a generic group is when other groups won't work for the purpose. For example, if you're putting together groups that aren't a Bible study or a household or an outreach or anything else that's pre-built into CrossReference. Let's give an example. Say you want to keep track of newsletters. So you select all and you create a generic group called newsletters. And we'll use these to keep track of the newsletters that the church sends out. Okay. Now maybe we want to keep track and separate them by month. So we'll make one for January. Okay, and maybe you want to separate them based on segmentation. In other words, maybe you want to segment these emails for different groups of people. And in our situation, we'll have people who do attend the church, and two other things that they're looking at. Do they attend Bible studies, and do they attend classes? So we'll look at attenders, but are not in Bible studies or in classes. Attenders in Bible studies, but not classes. Attenders at classes, but not Bible studies. And then attenders who actually are a part of everything. So we'll go attenders only. And then we'll call another one attenders Bible study only. And then we'll call another one attenders classes only. And then we'll add another one called attends services. Let's give that a capital letter. Services, classes, and studies. So now we have a group structure here that we can use to actually segment an email. This is the use that you would have for generic groups. You would use generic groups for situations where the typical groups do not do.